What's up everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Today we are going to talk about the Microsoft All-in-One computer. Well, we all know that Microsoft All-in-One computer is one of the best computers. But what about the latest version, the Microsoft Studio 3? Will it hit the market in 2021 or not? Well, there is no official announcement took place yet, but there are some rumors and fair guesses that tells us the release date, price and specifications of the upcoming Microsoft Studio 3. The first Surface Studio launched in 2016 and the Surface Studio 2 launched in November of 2018. So waiting for more than 2 years, I think Surface Studio 3 is around the corner. Microsoft has not announced the Surface Studio 3, but 2021 is more likely to be the year for Studio 3. Looking at the past release dates of the Studio models, the first one launched in late 2016 and the second one in November of 2018. So we are already too late to have the Studio 3. But we all know that 2020 was affected by COVID, so that might be the reason for Microsoft to delay the release of all-in-one computer. We can expect the mid of 2021 or the end of 2021 to be the time for Studio 3 release. Let's wait a bit for official announcement, and yes, you can follow my Instagram for latest tech updates. The link is in the description below. With no solid news about the release date and the specification of the Studio 3, it's hard to be sure about the price. What will happen to Studio 3 is unknown. Whether Microsoft will increase the price or lower them, we don't know. For the recap, the starting price of the Studio 3 was $3,500. They raised $500 as compared to the original Surface Studio. So from this we can expect the price hike if Microsoft is planning the design upgrade. Microsoft can even bring the price down to make this all-in-one computer easily approachable to mainstream market. The last two versions were heavily captured by the creative professionals, so the move of bringing the price down for mainstream consumers seems improbable. The starting price of the new model will more likely to be nearly same as the Surface Studio 2. The starting price will be $3,500 and packed with Core i7 processor and NVIDIA graphics card and 16GB of RAM. Other models with more powerful CPU and better NVIDIA GPU will increase the price up to $4,700. Until the Microsoft will announce the Studio 3, we can make some assumptions regarding the specs. For sure, any discussion about hardware and features is only our guesses, but there are some features that needs improvement. For starters, the 2018 Surface Studio 2 launched with an Intel Core i7-7820HQ processor, the 7th generation CPU from early 2017 that was already too aged when the Surface Studio 2 hit the market in 2018. If Microsoft makes any changes in the upcoming model, the processor upgrade is guaranteed. I think the 10th generation processor would be great for the Studio 3 and not the one which is already too old. Surface users are wishing to have the Thunderbolt 3 ports or even the newer Thunderbolt 4. It would be a great step if Microsoft switched the existing Type-C ports with Thunderbolt 3 or 4. Thunderbolt 3 offers great flexibility than the Type-C ports, allowing faster data speeds, allowing a whole range of peripherals to connect to a machine through a single port, from high-resolution monitors to external storage. The use of Direct Memory Access (DMA) by Thunderbolt 3 to directly read and write to RAM goes against Microsoft design and security concepts. The previous models used soldered RAM because it's more secure, but it's less costly from a production point of view. But if Thunderbolt 3 or 4 occurs on any Surface device, the Surface 3 will be the one to have it. Another thing that can be upgraded will be the display of Studio 3. Past generation models offered the best display ever with a resolution of 4500 by 3000 and a sharp 3:2 aspect ratio and impressive color calibration that provides sharp and amazing colors. But still, this 4K display isn't the best as compared to the Apple 6K Pro XDR display. The 28-inch Surface Studio even didn't offer the HDR support yet. Well, HDR support is a feature that photographers and videographers use. A 2016 Microsoft patent reports of a different design suggest that the next Surface Studio will not be the all-in-one PC, but it will feature same touch capacity and zero gravity hinge without any PC hardware in the base. This might take the Surface Studio away from the all-in-one design of previous generations and will make it the high-end display with a smaller desktop identical to the finest mini computers. This thing will allow the users to change and upgrade the PC hardware like RAM and storage. Let's see what Microsoft Surface will bring with it. Another rumor is about the microphone. The rumor suggests that the Microsoft Surface Studio will have the better microphone for voice and video calls. A report from MS Power User suggests that Microsoft might switch to directional micro-electromechanical system (MEMS) microphones that will provide better noise and echo crushing than other microphones. That's all for the Microsoft Studio 3 rumors. Don't forget to tell what do you think about this in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza. This is the Tech Fielder, and I'll catch you in the next one.